campus journalists gathered for a press conference led by Mr. Arnel Pajanonot today, July 9. Pajanonot talked about his life story, including his work experience in Bohol and Cebu. Moreover, he also tackled about the value of honesty, an integral part in becoming a journalist. Furthermore, Arnel was recognized for his integrity, with him receiving awards such as the Award of Honesty, bestowed upon him for returning a cash-filled bag found with his cousin along the roadside on November 2006. This is Dolores Manapan reporting.